Are you a beginner looking to lose weight through exercise? Welcome to the exciting world of fitness, where every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, more vibrant self. Exercise plays a pivotal role in our overall health and well-being. It's the secret sauce that spices up your journey to weight loss, and it's never too late to start. Think of it this way: the journey of 1,000 miles truly does begin with a single step. Each push-up, each jog around the block, each yoga pose you strike, they all add up. They build your strength, boost your endurance, and most importantly, they ignite a positive change. But don't be fooled into thinking that quicker is always better. Fitness isn't a race. It's about consistency, about patience, about learning to enjoy the process as much as the results. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. You've already taken the first step by clicking on this video. Before we dive into the workouts, let's talk about setting realistic fitness goals. It's crucial to understand that fitness is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's not about the quickest way to lose weight or gain muscle. It's about a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. This is where setting achievable goals comes into play. Imagine your fitness journey as a ladder, each rung representing a small, manageable goal. You don't leap to the top, you climb one step at a time. Whether it's committing to exercise 3 times a week, aiming to drink 8 glasses of water a day, or simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator, every small goal you meet is a victory. Remember, progress may be slow, but consistency is key. It's better to steadily improve over time than to burn out in a blaze of unattainable ambition. Your goals should inspire you, not intimidate you. Remember, small progress is still progress. Now let's get moving. Every good workout begins with a warm-up. Warming up is like revving your car's engine before a long drive. It prepares your body for the physical exertion ahead, increasing your heart rate and circulation gradually, which then loosens up your joints and muscles, reducing the risk of injury. It's an easy way to tell your body, hey, we're about to do something active. Let's get ready. Let's start with a basic warm-up exercise, jogging in place. This is as simple as it sounds. Stand tall, lift your feet off the ground and start jogging without moving forward. Keep your pace moderate. You're not trying to win a race here, you're just trying to get your blood pumping. Jog in place for about 1 minute. Next up is jumping jacks. Stand upright with your legs together and arms at your sides. Then, in one swift motion, jump and spread your legs while swinging your arms out and above your head. Reverse the motion immediately and return to your starting position. That's 1 jumping jack. Aim to do about 10 to 20 of these. Another great warm-up exercise is the arm circle. Extend your arms out to your side so they're parallel to the ground. Circle your arms forward in small, steady loops. After about 30 seconds, switch direction and circle your arms backward. This exercise warms up your shoulder joints and gets your upper body ready for action. One more warm-up exercise to consider is the high knees. Stand tall and march in place while lifting your knees as high as they can go. It's like jogging in place but with a higher knee lift. This exercise gets your heart rate up and engages your core muscles. Remember, the goal of a warm-up is not to exhaust you, but to prepare your body for the workout ahead. It's like a preface to a book. It sets the stage, gets you in the right mindset, and ensures your body is ready to take on the challenges of the main workout. A good warm-up prepares your body for the workout ahead. Don't skip it. Now that you're warmed up, let's get into some beginner-friendly exercises. First off, we have squats. To do a squat, start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body as if you're sitting down in an invisible chair. Keep your chest up and your gaze forward. Push back up to the starting position, and that's 1 squat. This exercise targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, essentially the powerhouse muscles in your legs and hips. Next up, we have lunges. Begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a step forward with your right foot, then lower your body until your right knee is at a 90-degree angle, and your left knee is hovering just above the ground. Push back up to the starting position, then repeat with your left leg. That's 1 lunge. Lunges work the same muscles as squats, but they also engage your core and improve your balance. Now let's move on to push-ups. Start in a high plank position with your palms flat on the ground, shoulder width apart, and your feet together. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Push yourself back up to the starting position, and that's 1 push-up. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, making it a great total body move. If you find these exercises challenging at first, don't worry. There are modifications you can make. For squats, you can use a chair to help you get the hang of the motion. For lunges, you can hold onto a wall for balance. And for push-ups, you can start on your knees or do them against a wall. Here's a tip. Try to do 10 to 15 repetitions of each exercise for 2 to 3 rounds. If that's too challenging, start with fewer repetitions and work your way up. It's not about how many you can do, it's about doing them correctly and consistently. And here's another tip. Pay attention to your breathing. Exhale as you push up in a squat, inhale as you lower. Exhale as you push back from a lunge, inhale as you lower. Exhale as you push up in a push-up, inhale as you lower. This will help you maintain a steady rhythm and prevent you from holding your breath, which can make the exercises feel harder. I know this may seem like a lot to take in, but remember, everyone starts somewhere. These exercises may be simple, but they're effective. They'll help you build strength, improve your balance, and get you moving. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime, no gym required. Remember, form is more important than speed. It's better to do fewer repetitions correctly than many incorrectly. So take your time, listen to your body, and most importantly, have fun with it. After all, exercise should be a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. So let's celebrate and let's get moving. Just as you warmed up before the workout, you should cool down afterward. Cooling down is a crucial part of any exercise regime. It's not just an afterthought or something to do if you have some extra time. It's an essential step that helps your body to recover and readjust after a workout. Cooling down involves performing exercises at a slower pace and reduced intensity. Some simple cool-down exercises include stretching and walking. These activities gradually decrease your heart rate and help to reduce the potential for muscle stiffness and soreness. Stretching after a workout allows your body to become more flexible and can help improve your overall fitness. Walking, on the other hand, helps to bring your heart rate back to its resting state while also keeping the muscles loose. Remember, the goal of cooling down is to help your body return to its normal state. Cooling down helps your body recover from the workout and prevents muscle soreness. Don't skip it. You've learned a lot today, so let's quickly recap. We kicked things off by emphasizing the value of exercise. It's not just about shedding those extra pounds, it's about enhancing your overall health, boosting your mood, and promoting better sleep. And let's not forget, it's a great way to combat various health conditions and diseases. Then we moved on to setting realistic fitness goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream physique be. It's crucial to set achievable targets that keep you motivated without overwhelming you. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Next, we discussed the importance of warm-up exercises. These are the unsung heroes of any workout regime. Warming up prepares your body for the upcoming workout, improving your performance and reducing the risk of injury. It's like revving your car before a long drive. It ensures everything runs smoothly. From there, we dove into some beginner-friendly exercises. These are designed to be simple yet effective, perfect for those new to the fitness world. From squats and lunges to push-ups and planks, these exercises target various muscle groups, promoting balanced development and weight loss. Finally, we talked about the significance of cool-down exercises. Just as warming up prepares your body for a workout, cooling down helps it recover afterward. It reduces muscle stiffness and soreness, promotes relaxation, and gradually brings your heart rate back to its resting rate. It's like applying the brakes gently after a high-speed chase. It prevents any sudden jolts and promotes a smooth transition back to normalcy. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is consistency. Keep at it, and you'll see results in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips.